Hey there everyone, and welcome to another lecture of this AutoCAD series. This is our first lecture where we are going to learn about the commands, and in this lecture we are going to cover about the first and the most basic tool of AutoCAD, which is line command. We are going to see about all the four methods that are used for creating this line. And what are those first four methods? They are using first and the next point, using specific coordinates, using relative coordinate, and using dimensions. We are going to see about each and every methods in a very detailed way. And in this lecture, let's start with our first method, which is using first and the next point. So let's jump into our AutoCAD and let's see how we can create this. Basically, for creating a line, you just need 2 points. One is on a starting point and another one is at the end point. And if you have these 2 points, then you can easily able to create a line between these 2 points. So this method is somehow like this only. It requires 2 points. One is the starting point, another one is the end point. And if you provide these 2 points, then that's it, you have created a line. So let's get started in our AutoCAD and see how it can be done. In this, you will find a line command in this drawing toolbar. The first command is the line command. We have discussed all about these toolbars and all in the previous lectures in the introduction point. In this lecture, we are just seeing the line command, and you will get a line command over here in this point. Just click on here, and in the command box, you can see that, as I have told you, that this command box is used for guiding your tool. So you can see that it is asking for the first point. It is telling that specify the first point. So how we provide a first point? We just randomly click anywhere on the screen. Just click on anywhere and you can see that the first point is provided. So if you click anywhere on the screen, then that will be act as a first point. Then again just go for the command box, and then it is asking for specify the next point. So for specifying the next point, what I'm going to do, I will just again drag my cursor at any direction, and then after I click the line, then this will be my next point. So now you can see that I have created a line using first and the next point method. Then wait, the command is not over yet. You can see that it is again asking for this next point. Just drag your mouse and you can see that it is again creating that line. It means that there is some more things inside this line command. So why this is happening? Because line is a continuous command. Basically, AutoCAD provides two different kinds of command. One is a continuous command and another one is a one-time use command. Continuous commands reactivate itself whenever you create one, or when you have operated it once, and after that it automatically starts again. And one-time command is just for a one-time use. Once it is get used, it will not reactivate itself. So line is basically a one-time command, continuous command. You can see that it is started creating a new line with the end point of the first line. So this is how a line command works. It will specify that end point as a beginning point of the another line, and it will again going to create that line. Again just click anywhere on the screen and you can find that you have again created a new line, considering that end point of the first line as the starting point of the next line. And again it will create a line. Again it will started creating the line. So this is happening due to its continuous command property. Now how to overcome from this property, or how to come out from this tool? So for coming out from this tool, we just press escape button. Once you press escape button, you can find that you have come out from that tool. So this is all about the line command using first and the next point and the continuous property of the line. Again, if you want to create a new line, then again just click on this line command, and again you will find a specifier next first point option it is asking for. Then again just click on the end point of this line. Okay, so now you can see that I can able to create a new line at the end from the end point of that line, and that is our that I have not clicked the in any random points. I have just clicked at the end point of that line, and that's it. I have created a new line. So this is how you create a line. After that, we are going to see about some more things inside this lecture. We are going to see about how we can able to delete a line or any object. I'm not considering any line. You can delete any objects. So how you can delete those things? For deleting an object, there are around 3 or 4 methods. We are going to see about each and every one in a very detailed way. Just click on any line and just wait for some time, and now you can find that this line is selected. It means that this line is highlighted with a blue color. It means that this line is selected. And after selecting this line, you can just press delete button on your keyboard, and now you can find that you have deleted that line. So this is one method of deleting a line, and it's the most commonly used method, and this is the only method that is most frequently used. Another one is just click on a line and then right click over anywhere on the screen. You can find a property dialog box will appear, and in that just you will find a erase option. Just click on this erase option, and this is another way of deleting a line. Third one is the most you can find a third method over here. It's a most uncommonly used method, and you can find it over here. Just click on any line you want to delete, or just select this one. You will find in a modification toolbar the fourth option, the erase one. Just click on this option and just click on any line you want to erase, and then press enter. So these are the methods of deleting a line, and in which the most commonly used method is using just select the line and press the delete button. So that's all for this lecture, and I will catch up you in the next one with some new techniques.